Welcome to our channel, where we believe that the key to a healthier and happier life lies in the power of exercise. In today's video, we will dive deep into the benefits and importance of regular exercise. So, let's get moving and discover how exercise can transform your life. Why exercise matters in one's life. Before we jump into the benefits, let's understand why exercise is so crucial for our overall well-being. Regular physical activity does so much more than just help us look good, it's vital for our body and mind. Exercise increases blood flow, strengthens the heart, and enhances lung capacity, leading to improved cardiovascular health. Additionally, it helps to maintain a healthy weight and reduces the risk of chronic conditions like diabetes and hypertension. Boosting mental health is one of the benefits. Exercise is not only beneficial for our physical health but also plays a significant role in supporting our mental well-being. When we exercise, our brain releases endorphins, the feel-good hormones, which reduce stress, anxiety, and depression. Engaging in physical activity regularly can help boost your mood, increase self-esteem, and improve cognitive function. It also enhances energy and stamina. Many people often wonder how exercise can boost energy levels when it demands physical exertion. The truth is that regular exercise improves our cardiovascular endurance and muscular strength, which leads to increased energy and stamina throughout the day. With time, you'll notice that daily tasks become easier, leaving you feeling more energized and ready to take on challenges. Sleep and exercise, it calms down the nerves and enhances resting. Are you struggling with sleep issues? Exercise might be the missing piece in the puzzle. Studies have shown that consistent physical activity helps regulate sleep patterns, leading to better sleep quality and overall restfulness. So, make exercise a part of your daily routine, and you'll wake up refreshed and revitalized every morning. Strengthening the immune system of the individual against diseases. In these challenging times, having a robust immune system is more critical than ever. Exercise plays a significant role in boosting the immune system by promoting better circulation and the release of antibodies and white blood cells. Regular exercise can help you stay healthier, reducing the frequency of illnesses. The social and emotional benefits of exercising. Exercising doesn't have to be a solitary activity. Joining fitness classes or working out with friends can have tremendous social and emotional benefits. It creates opportunities to build friendships, support each other's goals, and stay motivated together on your fitness journey. The variety in exercise are many to explore. The best part about exercise is that there are so many ways to do it. Whether you prefer jogging, dancing, yoga, or lifting weights, find an activity that you genuinely enjoy. The key to sticking with an exercise routine is to make it fun and exciting. To come to an end to today's topic, exercise and its benefits. It's evident that exercise is not just a luxury but a necessity for a healthy and fulfilling life. Regular physical activity brings countless benefits, from improved physical health to enhanced mental well-being. So, let's commit to prioritize exercise and unleash the best version of ourselves. Remember, always consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new exercise program, especially if you have underlying health conditions. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Stay tuned for more exciting content on fitness and well-being from the Dr. Diaries in our next video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.